What's up today? So let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis on gold. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. As there is a new daily and weekly opening tomorrow, let's see how we can trade gold in this new weekly opening. We'll do a complete detailed analysis in what situation we can trade gold, either bullish or bearish. Now, before I begin, make sure you smash the like button and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't done yet. So let's begin with first of all monthly perspective to see how gold is doing from the higher time frame perspective. Now from the monthly we see that gold, as you can see, back to back 3 months was in a strong bullish momentum. This is the monthly impulse on gold. As you can see, with this monthly impulse back to back 3 months, gold bulls were in control, created this big giant 3 monthly bullish candle. Now this is current monthly candle. We have seen that gold has broken this resistance, created an overextended market to the upside, and then gold's bears to control. Currently we have seen a significant drop in this market, though there is already a drop. And as you can see, if you closely look at the left side, there is a strong bullish candle, so gold bulls will still be in control in this market. We could see this month's up and down, going up and down, but it's still we could see some bullish move on gold. As we have seen, the price already dropped. Now we might see another impulse to the upside, and again probably later next week we might see another drop in this market. So this week we still can see some bullish move on gold. Now if I look at the weekly time frame, as this is very important, the weekly price action. Now, what we see that from the weekly perspective, previous week there was a very strong bearish engulfer. Now, followed by this week, we see that very narrow doji. Now, this doji is quite significant. The reason is, as you can see, there is a long wick at the top in this doji. Now, when you see this kind of doji, what I think that gold highly likely that will first go up to fill that week of the doji, either to create a higher high or even at least to create a lower high with that weekly long week candle. Now what I think that, as you can see, after this kind of doji, there are two probability now is to create another bullish candle like that in this zone, until this liquidity area. There is one probability. Another probability for gold is to create another doji, probably will create a lower high with this and to create another weekly doji. Now in both occasions we could see some bullish move, and for the best option for us is to go for a bullish trading opportunity, probably along this support zone and along this zone where we can find on the lower time frame significant bullish trading opportunity on gold. Now if I look at the daily time frame to see how the price action is done. Now on the daily, as you can see, this is the daily support zone, though it looks like that there is a strong bearish impulse here. As you can see on the daily, there is a daily bearish impulse, and then correction, we have seen another daily bearish candle. But if we look at the overall picture from longer time frame perspective, from the daily time frame, we see that gold has created this structure. As you can see, this is the daily resistance zone. If you draw this trend line on gold, what we see that there is a resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, which is turning support here and also turning support here. So from the longer time frame perspective, we see that gold resistance turn support here, and from this level we can expect some kind of bounce. Now what I think that, as you can see, from the lower time frame we see some drop. From the bigger picture we see gold on a level of support. Now what I think that this week we might see that gold is moving in between this resistance. So this is a very important level of resistance. At the same time, as you can see, from this zone where there is a daily 20 EMA crossover and 10 EMA, which is a pretty important area of value, where there is a long week on the daily. What I think that this week we might see that gold is going to this support and then reaching this resistance, and this could be a level that we can look for potential bullish trading opportunity on gold. Now this is daily chart. We see monthly, weekly, and daily giving us a direction for gold. Now let's look at for the lower time frame in what situation we can find trading opportunity. Now this is the last session of the last week. We see that there was a narrower green candle. what I think that in the new trading week we might see initially some drop in the zone. And if we see that level, especially if we look see that gold has dropped below 1855 to 1850 zone, this could be a very important area where we can find suitable bullish trading opportunity. So this is the zone that I will be waiting for gold to drop on the lower time frame to find suitable bullish trading opportunity, as I believe that gold might go up initially in the beginning of the week. So as soon as we will find suitable entry opportunity along this zone on gold, we will consider going long with a high probability trade setup with our students. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button and also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.